The transmitter is considered the initial component in the creation of a wireless medium. Now, really, to me, the initial part of it was that computer or endpoint that was sending data to be transmitted. But when it gets into the world of wireless, the transmitter is where it starts. So the computer is going to hand off that data, and the transmitter's job then is going to begin the RF communication. Remember, its job is to be able to create the radio frequency by the way in which it uses the alternating current, or the AC. And that is very important to us for not only the frequency and the amplitude and all the rest of the things we've talked about, but also the way in which it can then modulate that signal to represent the ones and zeros. And so the transmitter then is going to be responsible for determining the power to be used. In fact, it's going to be responsible for all parts of communicating the ones and zeros, because when the antenna receives the power, it's just going to create that the radio frequency based on what the transmitter sent. So it's almost like you could say the transmitter is the brains of how we do this communication.